If you're on the hunt for a mid-budget smartphone, with an exceptional camera quality, that can rival even the iPhone, then you absolutely need to check out this new offering from Nokia. Rumor has it, Nokia is about to blow our minds with this incredible smartphone, packing a jaw-dropping 200 megapixel DSLR quality camera, and top-tier features like the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor, all at an unbelievably affordable price. Yes, we're talking about the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G smartphone. If you're as excited as we are to get your hands on this beast, make sure to watch this video till the very end. Because today, we're diving deep into its full features, price, and launch date. So, let's start. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. Display. Let's talk about the display first. Nokia's latest gem comes with a massive 6.95-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display that supports HDR10+. But that's not all. It also boasts a buttery-smooth 144 Hz refresh rate, Gorilla Glass armor protection, an in-display fingerprint sensor, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. This phone is literally built to impress. Camera setup. Now, let's get to the star of the show, the camera. Nokia Turbo Pro 5G features a triple camera setup that's nothing short of spectacular. The main camera is a whopping 200 megapixel sensor, with OIS support. Alongside that, you get a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera, and an 8 megapixel macro camera. And for all the selfie lovers out there, there's a 32 megapixel front camera, that's ready to make your selfies pop. Processor and operating system. Under the hood, this smartphone is powered by Qualcomm's latest and most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Gen Elite processor. And when it comes to the operating system, you'll be running on the Android 15 OS, ensuring a smooth and future-proof experience. Battery backup. The Nokia Turbo Pro 5G packs a massive 7000 mAh battery that's designed to keep you going all day long. And when it's time to recharge, you've got a 100-watt super-fast charger and a USB Type-C charging port to get you back up and running in no time. Price and launch date. So, when can you get your hands on this powerhouse? Well, Nokia is expected to launch this beast globally by the end of this year. As for the price, it's rumored to start at around $600, making it an absolute steal for the features it offers.